Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making crispy pork crackling. It's a very easy recipe. It will need an air fryer, but it's worth it. Trust me. So if you like my content so far, please click the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below on what you want me to cook next, and share the video if you think the recipe is good. So we're going to try one of the pork. Oh no. Oh, it's so hot, but you know, ta-da! So here are our ingredients. We have here our pork belly. We have salt, oil or cooking spray oil. You could use normal oil as well. And that's it. So let's begin. So what we want to do first is to pat dry our pork. So the pork belly has been in the fridge drying for about 2 days. So you want to do that. And then just keep it, like, pat it dry. See, to remove any kind of moisture as much as you can. And just put it down there. Now, the second bit is just like on the top bit, just like stab it with some holes. Not a lot, just enough to like release. I don't have the one that can puncture things, so I'll just use a knife. So now that we're done with that one, next step is just adding in some oil. So just spray it on top, on the sides, and underneath. So what we want to do now is add in some of the salt. Just salt it up. Top it. So now that our pork is salted and oil, just want to put it inside the air fryer, like so, and start cooking it. So now we're putting our pork in the air fryer, like so, and you want to put it at 200 for 30 minutes. Alright, so our crispy pork after 30 minutes, look at that. But we need to cook it again for 160, 25 minutes. Alright, so that's been cooking for 25 minutes. Let's see it for the reveal. And mother loving everything. That looks so pretty. Alright, we're gonna come closer to it because I want you to listen. Look at that. Oh, that sound. And let's do the first. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's cut one. Yes. Oh, my lord.